want to create a brand logo for your e-commerce business? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to canva.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to click on the option of create, then type logo design and select that option. Now you're going to find lots of logo designs over here. You want to first clarify your brand personality. Keeping that in mind, go ahead and select your preferred template. Then click on the option of customize this template. As you can see, every element of this logo is customizable. So you can simply change anything you want. For example, let's change the brand name. Go ahead and type in your brand name. After that, if you want to remove this image, you can simply click on the delete option. Then click on elements and then find an appropriate image from here. Then go ahead and add it over here. Once you have made your logo, you want to click on the share option, then click on download, and in this way you can easily create a brand logo for your e-commerce business. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.